Hey guys, it's been a while since we've given you an update at the chalet because our contractors are going terribly slow, which many are right now. Basically, we picked the worst time to renovate some homes during the pandemic, but it is what it is. We've got some progress inside. These guys finished the drywall, primed everything, they're on to painting. We're about to put the flooring down later this week and get into tile next week. So getting on to the finishes, let me show you guys around, tell you what we're gonna do to finish this place up, hopefully by the end of the year. All right, we're starting here on the outside. Outside's pretty much finished up. The deck needs a little bit more work. We're going to stain all of these railings and the underframe black and put in some netting probably in here instead of normal railings. Part of our cedar hot tub kit over here that I'm going to assemble. And it's going to go right in a little hole in the deck right here. It's perfectly sized for it. It's covered up for safety. All right, let's take a look inside. All right, as you can see, we've finally finished the drywall. We're moving on to painting color in here. So here is our typical kind of, we use black, very dark gray to make these windows kind of disappear and help you focus on the views and not the walls or any fancy finishes. So that's what we're doing here. In the main living area, we went back to this really dark gray, almost black, for the ceiling in here, in the kitchen, dining area, and then continued. Now you'll notice that we don't have paint continuing on a lot of the walls, and that's because we are going to put that same T111 rough cladding on all these surfaces here. Not exactly sure how we're going to finish it, but we want that kind of rough woodsy cabin vibe. So we're going to do that all down here. And then these doors will actually open out, this one in the bedroom, and then we'll be able to clad pretty seamlessly. T111 will look like it's continuing along the wall and the doors, and you'll just see tiny reveals where the doors open. We got our flexible bathroom downstairs. We'll have the shower in there. This have a door here closed off for the toilet area, and the sink will be here. We're using a much darker green in the bedrooms. And the bedrooms are actually going to have plywood on the floors and up 3 or 4 feet for kind of wainscoting. But we want these to feel just super dark and cozy in here, so very, very dark green. We have reclaimed flooring right here from Provenance Architecturals from Philly, waiting to go down here, but in the bedrooms and upstairs will be plywood. Let's take a look upstairs. And then again, this is going to be all plywood up here on the floors. Continuing into the bedrooms, we got the same dark green color in both bedrooms. This is going to be a dedicated shower and soaking tub. This is going to be our little toilet room. And then of course we're going to have double vanities over here. So that's pretty much for the interior right now. You can see these beams look pretty nice here with all the color coming together. Should be a nice space when it's done. I skipped over this earlier, but we are using Clare Paint for the first time in both of our current projects. This is kind of an effort to support more Black-owned businesses, but also they have really cool colors and kind of make it easy with their tool online to choose colors that work together well. I will admit it's probably not great for commercial construction because they ship everything in 1-gallon containers in one box, but we wanted to at least try it out for a couple homes and see how it goes. So all these colors, this martini green, this lighter green, this darker almost black, and the dark green from the bedrooms are all from Clare Paints. All right, that's all we got for the day at the chalet. As we get a little bit closer and this place is livable, I'll come down here and live here for a couple days at a time. Maybe get some more time lapse of some projects that I'm working on myself to finish this place up. And then when we get the contractors done and out of here, we'll move the whole family in for probably about a week, and we'll do all the finishing touches, all the staging, get all the furniture, all the signage, get this place ready to go for 2023. All right guys, thanks for watching.